standard. Today we will revise exercise 19th B and C. In this exercise basically you have to find median. Before starting this exercise we have to learn how to find median. So median, the rules are there. The first rule, you have to arrange the given data or the given terms in ascending or descending order. Means any of one order you have to take and arrange. Secondly, count the numbers. Means how many terms are there. If n is odd, then median is value of n plus 1 over 2th term. If n is even, then what will be median? There are two methods. One, half of value of n over 2th term plus value of n over 2 plus 1. This one is separate term, or whether you can go with this, otherwise you can go by the formula. After arranging them in any of the order, sum of middle terms over 2. So these formulas we will follow to solve the sums of this exercise. Now we start our exercise. First question, find the mean. Sorry, median. First part, the terms are given 25, 16, 26, 16, 32, 31, 19, 28 and 35. What are the rules? First of all, you have to arrange the terms in ascending or descending order. So, terms in ascending order first of all, we arrange them 16, 16, 19, 25, then 26, 28, 31, 32 and 35. Now count them. What is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here n is 9. So which formula we will follow? We will go with this one because n is odd. Therefore median is value of n plus 1 over 2th term. Now what is n? 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 over 2, 5th. So value of 9 plus 1 over 2, that means 10 over 2 5th term. Now see from here which is the 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our median is 26. Now we will do fourth part of first question. Here numbers are given 233, 173, 189, 208, 194, 204, 194, 185, 200 and 220. Can we straightway find out median? No. What we will do first of all, we have to arrange them in ascending order. So terms or data in ascending order. we arrange them. The smaller number is 173, then 185, then 189, 194, 2 times. You can cut them like this. This term is this like this, and 189 also we have taken 185. So whatever comes left. Now 200, then 204, 208, 220 and 233. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here n is 10. 10 is even or odd? It is even number because n is even. Therefore, median is equal to value of n over 2th term plus value of n over 2 plus 1. This one you always keep separate, upon 2. You can take these 2 in starting also, otherwise you can write it like this. Now what is n? N is 10. So 10 over 2 means 5th term plus 5 plus 1, 6. So 5th term plus 6th term over 2. What is 5th term? Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 194. What is 6th term? 200 upon 2. Add them. It gives us 394 over 2. Divide them. 2 ones are 2, 19, 2 nines are 18, 14, 2 sevens are 14. So 197 is the median of these numbers. Now our next question is question number 5. In this question some observations are given which is already arranged in ascending order and mean is given 18. You have to find value of x. First of all we will count the observation to find n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here n is equal to 9 which is an odd number because n is odd. Therefore median is equal to value of n plus 1 over 2th term. N is 9. We substitute here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2 gives 5. So, median is value of 5th term. But in question, median is given 18. According to question, 18 is equal to value of 5th term. Which is 5th term here? X plus 5. Substitute here. So, 18 minus 5 is equal to x. And value of x is equal to 13. This only you have to find in this question. Now we will do 7th question of exercise 19C. In this question these terms are given and you have to find mean, and then in first part you have to find their deviations and the sum. In second part you have to find median. So first of all we will find mean. So what is n here? We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is 10. So mean is equal to sigma x over n. Means we add all these terms. So 30 plus 32 plus 24 plus 34 plus 26 plus 28 plus 30 plus 35 plus 33 plus 25 over 10. When we will add it, all these 10 numbers we will get 297 upon 10. 10 means 1 decimal place. So our mean is 29.7. Now in first part, you have to find sum of the deviation. Now what is deviation? Deviation means x minus x bar. X means the data itself and x bar means mean. So we will solve it. What is x here? We'll take first term 30 minus 29.7. We'll get 0.3. Then 32 minus 29.7. We will get here 2.3. The next one 24 minus 29.7. 24 plus 5. So we'll get minus 5.7. Next term is 34 minus 29.7. What we will get? 4.3. 26 minus 29.7. 26 plus 3, 29 means minus 3.7. Next term is 28. So what we will get here? We will get here 28 minus 29.7 minus 1.7. Then 30 minus 29.7. What we will get? 0.3. 35 minus 29.7 means 5.3. 33 minus 29.7 3.3. 25 minus 29.7. When you minus, then you will get minus 4.7. So sum of x minus x bar. We will add minus terms separated, plus terms separate. We take these three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these terms. 3 6 are 18.1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 7, 12, 3, 15. Similarly, we will add minus term also. It will also give us 15.8. When we will add them, we get 0. In first part, you have to show the same. The sum of the deviations of these all given numbers from the mean is 0. Now, second part of the same question. In this part, you have to find median. So, these terms are given. Here n is 10, but they are not arranged in any of the order. First of all, what we will do? We will arrange them in ascending order. When we take their ascending order, so what we will get? We start from 24. So ascending order is 24, 25, 26, 28, 30, 30, then 32, 33, 34 and 35. We have arranged them in ascending order. Here n is 10 because n is even. Therefore, median is equal to value of n over 2th term plus value of n over 2 plus 1 upon 2. So what is n here? N is given 10. We substitute the value. So median is equal to 10 over 2th term plus 10 over 2th term plus 1. Here this 1 is always you take separate when it is even upon 2. 2 5s are 10 here also. So 5th term 5 plus 1, 6th term upon 2. Now, what is our 5th term here? We count from the ascending order, not from the given term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this 30. 6 is also 30. So, 30 plus 30 over 2. 60 over 2. We reduce them. So, median of these terms is 30. Like this, you can solve other sums of this exercise also.